Speaker, please, Shri K.P. Ramalingam.
Thank you, Vice Chairman. My Tamil national book, Tirukural,
अब हो गया वो बैठ गई हैं
has
बैठ गई।
133 important topics.
मैडम 2 मिनट का टाइम था, 5 मिनट का आप सिफारिश नहीं करें तो अच्छा है। चलिए अब ये ऐसे मत करिए, वो नहीं बोल रही हैं, आप क्यों कर रहे हैं? कंक्लूड कर,
बोलने तो दीजिए सर।
कंक्लूड कर दीजिए, चलिए।
सर, अनुसूचित जाति जनजाति के स्पेशल कंपोनेंट में पैसा कम कर दिया गया। मेरा निवेदन है सरकार से कि जिस तरह से SC ST की जो आबादी है सर, उसके आधार पर कम से कम सरकार उसका आवंटन करे ताकि जो जरूरतमंद है उनके पास उनका पैसा पहुंच जाए और सही रूप में उनको पैसा उनके बेनिफिट में लगे। माननीय सभापति महोदय, ये निवेदन है, आपने समय दिया, धन्यवाद।
श्री राम।
Sir, my Tamil national book, Tirukural,
You have 7 minutes.
thank you, has 133 important topics. Like that, our finance minister also given his budget speech in 133 important topics. So, I will start with one Tirukural. தூங்காமை, கல்வி, துணிவுடைமை இம்மூன்றும் நீங்கா நிழலாள்பவர்க்கு. The translation of this Quran is as follows. There are 3 things which should never be forgot by the ruler of the country. That is promptitude, learning and dynasty. Yes, our finance minister followed this. But he, in his budget speech, he is convert our nation as corporate India. We want our nation should be agriculture India also. So in that, sir, on behalf of our Dravida Munnetra Kalagam, I rise to register my response to the proposals made in the union budget. Sir, let me first begin by appreciate the government on improving the rupee-dollar exchange rates and controlling inflation. But whose cost? On the cost of poor,
Silence,
on the
please,
cost
silence,
of
please,
agriculture, this inflation is controlled. But that should not be, sir. Firstly, the expectation among the Indian middle class was there would be some increase in the income tax exemption limit. Less than a year ago, the then leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha, now the dynamic personality finance minister, Leonard Arun Jaitley sir, had demanded that the IT limit should be raised to rupees 5 lakhs. What has happened now? Nothing happened. Next, I would like the government to explain about the schemes. How it plans to finance the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. This is not even 50% of the first year annual target now covered. Also, the budgetary allocation for Swachh Bharat has reduced from 12,100 crores made in revised estimate 2014-15 to 6,200 crore only. Half of it was covered only half of the program. Now it is reduced again half of the estimate amount. Now I come to the main issue of the farmers issue. I never say that this government is Kisan Virodhi government, but they neglected Kisan. They neglected agriculture in their mainstream. One crucial area, an example, I have a lot of things to say, but I am very time limited. One crucial area which seems to have been neglected in this budget is development of dry land farming regions. In India, 2/3 of the agricultural land is rain-fed and supports at least half of the rural agricultural employment. In terms of production, dry lands account for nearly 80% of the output, of course, cereals, 50% of maize, 81% of groundnut. In order to address poverty, we will need to rely on increasing the productivity of these rain-fed areas. But they are not care about that, sir. But moreover, due to climate change Today morning, our learned members have raised so many issues. Due to climate change, we are witnessing major extreme weather events such as drought in one season and flood in other season, leading to enormous loss of standing crops. But despite of all these things, the budget has reduced the allocation for national mission on sustainable agriculture by 60% from 2,900 crore to 1,000 crore. How can they maintain the farmers' tragedy and all? How can they fulfill the needs of the farmers? With a large number of concerns, on another issue, adversely, it is disappointing that the entire marine fisheries got an allocation of only rupees 105 crores in the current budget. Today, the fisheries sector contributes 1.2% to the Indian GDP. This contribution can be enlarged by promoting food processing and storage facilities. I appeal to the government not neglect the contribution of fishermen and address their concerns in sincere manner. And our Tamil Nadu friends also demanded, my leader, தலைவர் Kalaignar already stated, the budget provision to the state outside of Tamil Nadu was neglected. So, and also the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister, Honorable O.P. Pannirselvam also demanded for the more fund. The Central Eastern State to UT plans has decreased by more than 26% over the revised estimate of 2014 to 15. If the allocation were based on the previous formula, the Tamil Nadu would have got rupees 26,035 crore. But now we are reduced to 21 crore. That is 21,000 crore. That is reduced of 4,156 crore. That is 5,000 crore has been reduced. Is it this the deal had our finance minister in his secret meeting? But I don't know, sir, why it was reduced. And also, the project for interlinking of rivers was even supported by the previous NDA government, and then Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee had set up a multidisciplinary task force in 2003. In 2003, I am talking about Atal Bihari Vajpayee, sir, please allow it, or otherwise he will say what he said to the nation, you are avoiding it. So don't avoid it, sir. I am saying, I am quoting Atal Bihari Vajpayee. In 2003, in a writ petition, the Supreme Court directed the government to complete the planning required to launch the project by 2006. But it is not even now taken. Last year, 100 crore has been announced. Only 10 crore only spent. Though you have to go for interlinking of the rivers, it's the most important one. I demand the government to take a priority for that line.